So in this video, I'll be making a vacuum desiccator. For this, I have an airtight container in which I already have some silica gel. So I use this as a normal desiccator, but a normal desiccator takes a lot of time to dry the product, whereas a vacuum desiccator dries the product in just a few hours. So for that, I am also taking this drip pipe with this valve. So I took out the pipe from the nozzle and cut the required length of the pipe. Now I'll be making a hole inside the container with the help of this hot iron nail. So first I will heat the iron nail and then poke it inside the container to make a small hole. So now I'm taking some epoxy putty that I have already mixed from first. It's of MCL brand. So I took a small amount of epoxy putty and rolled it in my hands, and then I took a top nozzle of the syringe and fixed that nozzle onto the hole with this epoxy putty. After the nozzle was fixed, more epoxy putty was applied later to provide strength. Now the problem is that the drip pipe is very small for the pipe of my vacuum pump. So to make a connection, I have to use something like this syringe needle cap. So I have cut the cap from the bottom, and this cap fits very nicely into this nylon pipe. Okay, so now I'll be taking some epoxy putty, roll it in my hands, and then wrap it around the drip pipe, and then take the pipe and insert it into the this syringe cap. Now this will help to connect the vacuum pipe to this drip pipe. Now after drying, we can fix this pipe into the syringe nozzle. It takes some effort to fix it, but it will go. The drip pipe has fixed into the nozzle very tight. Now our vacuum desiccator is now ready. Now to demonstrate it, I'll be just applying my vacuum pipe, opening the valve, and pull the vacuum with my DIY vacuum pump. I have already uploaded a video of this. I pulled out as much vacuum as I could, and you can also see that the lid of the container has suppressed to the bottom. After creating the vacuum, I closed the valve and took out the pipe of the vacuum pump, and now the vacuum stayed there. On opening the valve, the air rushed inside, and this is our DIY vacuum pump, which works very well. I upload videos every Tuesday, so subscribe to my channel. If you like my work, you can support me financially through Patreon and PayPal. Links are given in description.